as you can see, Arthur, in Minnesota right now, both the mayor and the governor are calling for the removal of law enforcement and basically the nullifying of laws. And in my opinion, you can't pick and choose which laws you want to follow. So if you want to get rid of laws, then you want to get rid of all laws. And if you don't want law enforcement in your city, then you don't want any law enforcement. So when you have a mayor and a governor both calling for that, when does this reach the threshold that they must be removed? When does that happen? What could they do to have to force the federal government to remove them, since they want to dismantle law and law enforcement? Because that's what's both are happening right now in Minnesota.
I understand your concern. In principle, if elected officials truly reached a point where they were actively in principle, if a governor or mayor were truly attempting to dismantle law enforcement or nullify laws in a way that fundamentally undermine the rule of law, there will be legal and constitutional mechanisms to address it. However, these situations are extremely rare and complex. Typically, such a scenario would lead to a series of legal challenges in state and federal courts. State legislatures or city councils could step in, and they could be actions like impeachment or removal proceedings under state law. Ultimately, if a state or local leader were acting in a way that was considered to be a severe violation of constitutional duties, the federal government could become involved. But this would generally happen through judicial processes and not through a simple or immediate intervention. In reality, these kinds of scenarios are more hypothetical than practical. There are numerous checks and balances as well as legal safeguards to prevent any official from simply dismantling law and order. So while the situation in Minnesota might feel tense, the constitutional framework is designed to handle conflicts through legal and judicial means rather than allowing any abrupt collapse of order.